Good morning, children. Here we are with a new video which is based on the chapter 8 measurement. Now, this chapter is for evaluation 3 children, not evaluation 2. Okay, please don't get confused because we have a lot of time in hand before we start with our examinations, that is evaluation 2. We thought some portion we can start, a new topic we can start. But children, please remember and don't get confused. This is not there in your evaluation 2. This is the new topic for your new evaluation, that is 3. And of course, we will have 2 videos on this topic and a live session. And again, we will continue with the revision of our for our exams. Okay. So it's not that we are going to continue with this topic. We will have revision just after the 2 videos and 1 live session. So this chapter measurement is about what? Measurement is defined as the act of measuring the size of something. An example of measurement means the use of a ruler to determine the length of a piece of paper. So here I'm measuring the length of a piece of paper using the instrument ruler. So basically, ruler is something that is used to measure. And what are we measuring? We are measuring the length and of what? Of a piece of paper. I repeat, measurement is defined as act of measuring the size of something. For example, measurement means the use of a ruler to determine the length of a piece of paper. We can measure many different things, but mostly we measure length, area, volume, mass, and time. This is what you will be doing also in your chapter. We'll be doing length. Of course, there will be a separate chapter of area, volume, mass is weight. When you stand off on a weighing machine and you weigh something, you go and buy and get it weighed and buy it. So that is what mass will be about. And time. There is a time chapter also for you people. Of course, slowly we will be seeing that. Now, if you see, when we travel on the road, we see these kind of boards there where the name of the city is written and then it's specified that how many kilometers is remaining to that particular city. Like here it's written Hyderabad 250 kilometers. So it's telling you the distance you still have to travel to the city to Hyderabad is 250 kilometers. Or sometimes we see we measure a length, we do the comparison between the two products, the longer and shorter. We compare that, okay, these two scales or these two rulers are of same size. We estimate certain length. We compare length. We use our ruler. Like there is this candle, toothbrush, the socks, mufflers, the branch of a tree, nail, arrow, pencil, leaves. So we measure all this using you must have seen when the carpenter comes to your place, he brings this type of a measuring tape which just pulls out and when he leaves, it goes inside because he measures longer distance. But you cannot carry this kind of tape to school because you just have to measure something around 10 to 15 centimeters. So you usually carry the regular size scale or a little bigger size scale, right? You don't carry a measuring tape. And even mama papa don't keep these kind of measuring tape at home. They keep that rolling tape at home to measure small distances when they just want to measure something, isn't it? When we go to a cloth shop, we see they have got this big 1 meter scale there, or that is also called as a 100 centimeter scale. So every person to measure the length uses different type of measuring scale as per the requirement, right? And sometimes maybe you just don't have to use any instrument to measure. You just have to estimate what is big, longer, what is shorter, like that. Like suppose sometimes we just use a hand span, okay? A hand span we keep it, okay, ये तो मेरे हाथ के जितना बड़ा है, मेरे palm के जितना बड़ा है. You use your arm length कि ये मेरे हाथ के जितना बड़ा है, ये मेरे palm के जितना बड़ा है. At times you walk on the floor counting the footsteps and you say, okay, this measures these many footsteps. You must be playing around on the ground and measuring with your footsteps. अच्छा इतने distance हो गए 10 footsteps, यहाँ तक ball जाना चाहिए. That time you don't rush to your home to pick up a measuring scale or a measuring tape, something of that sort. But then there are people who need different type of measuring scale. Like here it's given the rolling measuring scale. Even this type of scale is there, which marked very minutely. So, this moves if you want to hold something and measure it exactly. But nothing that you have to learn what type of it is. But these are certain instruments that I have placed here just to show it to you all. Now, for example, Jaya and his mother wanted to measure their height. They did not have a measuring scale or a tape. They used a door to mark their height. This is a non-standard unit of measuring length. Like here I showed you, measuring using a footstep, measuring using a hand span, measuring using the arm length. These are non-standard unit of measuring length. Okay, just an estimation. So obviously Jaya is shorter than the mother and mother is shorter than the door height, right? So they just get an approximate idea to what height Jaya is taking now. This is how we do it, isn't it? Now, there are certain standard units, like I said, non-standard unit of measuring length. But there are certain standard units to measure the length. Every time you carry the scale with you, you see there that there are certain markings done on the scale. Like on this ruler, the long marks with the numbers represent centimeters and the short marks in between represents millimeters. Centimeter is represented as cm and millimeter is represented as mm. There are 10 millimeters in every centimeter. There are 10 markings from 0 to 1. There are 10 markings from 1 to 2. There are 10 markings from 2 to 3. That means हर सेंटीमीटर के बीच में there are 10 millimeters. आपने observe किया होगा. Just quickly pick up your scale right away, right now. And see there. What is there on my scale? है ना? हम लोग फट से स्केल लेते हैं, एक लाइन खींच लेते हैं, एक we draw a line, we stretch a line. But do we see what is there on our scale? It's always the regular size scale that you keep in your compass. It's a 10 centimeter size scale with certain markings in between them. So every 10 millimeter is equals to 1 centimeter. Millimeter and centimeter are standard units to measure length. But long scale याद है क्लॉथ शॉप में जाते हैं, वो जो long scale होती है and mama says अच्छा 1 मीटर दे दो, 2 मीटर दे दो, तो वो भैया long scale रखते हैं. अगर 1 मीटर चाहिए तो एक बार, 2 मीटर चाहिए तो उसको 2 बार रोटेट करते हैं. So that scale is a meter scale of 1 meter. और उसके अंदर 100 markings रहती हैं. That means 100 centimeter. Okay, so 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. That again, these 1 meter, 1 Meter is a standard measuring unit. Then you have 1000 meter. Okay, 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. My school is 5 kilometers away from my home. I travel 15 kilometers from my home to school. ओके, अब ये डिस्टेंस मेजर करने के लिए मेरे घर से लेके स्कूल तक के मैं ये नॉर्मल स्केल जो आप अपने कंपास में रखते हैं वो तो नहीं यूज करूंगी. इवन द शॉपकीपर हु कीप्स अ 1 मीटर स्केल वो तो नहीं यूज करूंगी. दे हैव गॉट बिग रोलिंग measuring tapes which has marking of kilometers or meters, and for every 1000 meter calculation it is said to be 1 kilometer. Sorry. So these three are the four rather, millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer are standard measuring units used to measure length. छोटा सा डिस्टेंस है तो मिलीमीटर में चल जाएगा, उससे थोड़ा सा बड़ा है तो सेंटीमीटर में चल जाएगा, और बड़ा है तो मीटर में चल जाएगा, एंड अगर इट्स वेरी वेरी लॉन्ग इट्स इन किलोमीटर्स or miles. Abroad they use miles a lot instead of kilometers, but we use kilometer, okay? Now to measure the smaller length, as I said, we use millimeter or centimeter. To measure larger length, we use longer distance, that is kilometer. और इनके मिडल में कुछ रहता है तो मीटर से काम चल जाता है. आपका डोर हाइट, ओके, लॉन्ग योर डाइनिंग टेबल, आपका स्टडी टेबल अगर बहुत बड़ा है तो मीटर में यूज होगा. Your kitchen platforms, the fridge height, the cabinet's height, the almirah height, these are all measured in meters. With small distance, the book length, okay, the textbook length, napkins, small napkins that you have, all this is in centimeters. Eraser, it is in millimeter. Sharpener, millimeter, okay. Now we can convert these units. जैसे कि आपके घर से लेके स्कूल तक का डिस्टेंस डायरेक्टली किलोमीटर में मेजर नहीं होता है, मीटर्स में मेजर होके फिर कन्वर्ट होता है, ओके. So smaller unit to bigger unit and bigger unit to smaller unit. We can convert the units from smaller unit to bigger unit, from bigger unit to smaller unit. Millimeters to centimeters, centimeters to meters, meters to kilometers. Okay, millimeters to centimeters convert हो सकता है, centimeters to meters convert हो सकता है, meters to kilometers convert हो सकता है, and vice versa. Kilometers to meters, meters to centimeters, centimeters to meters. Now they all get converted with their conversion rates. अभी हमने सुना कि हर मीटर के अंदर 10 मिलीमीटर रहता है, तो उनका कन्वर्जन रेट क्या हुआ? 10. तो उनका कन्वर्जन रेट क्या होगा? 10. तो अगर मुझे मीटर से सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आई विल डिवाइड, मुझे सेंटीमीटर से मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है, आई विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय व्हाट? बाय 10. Because just now you saw that on the scale, every centimeter has 10 millimeter. So when I divide from a smaller unit to a bigger unit, I divide. When I convert from a bigger unit to smaller unit, I multiply. Okay. Now for the centimeter to meter, meter to kilometer, हम थोड़े टाइम के बाद में देखेंगे. So this completes my video here, children. So सेंटीमीटर, मैं सेंटीमीटर मीटर भी बोल देती हूँ, हम लोग मीटर स्केल देखते हैं शॉप पे, मैंने आपको बताया वो मीटर स्केल में 100 सेंटीमीटर्स होते हैं. So when I want to convert from a centimeter to meter, that is bigger, smaller unit to bigger unit, I divide. From bigger unit to smaller unit, I multiply. Meters में 1000 meters make 1 kilometer. So if I convert from meters to kilometer, that is smaller unit to bigger unit, I divide, and bigger unit to smaller, I multiply. Okay, so this is how it works. So children, more we are going to do it in the next video. This is the part of evaluation 3, not evaluation 2. We have just started the topic because we are left with good time in hand. And of course, our revisions are going on in live sessions, and you children are doing fantastically well during the live sessions. I really appreciate that. And just wait for the next video to see what more we have related to measurement. Thank you, children. I'm ending my video here. Have a good day, and I'll see you in your live sessions. Thank you.